Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best Shopify website. First, you need to choose a specific niche and understand your ideal customer. Next, select a Shopify plan that aligns with your business size and goals, whether it's basic Shopify or advanced Shopify. Then, secure a unique and brand-appropriate domain name. Finally, install a visually appealing and mobile-responsive theme to lay a strong foundation for your online store. Once your store is set up, focus on your products. Upload several high-resolution images for each item, showcasing different angles. Craft detailed, benefit-driven descriptions that answer customer questions. Use strong, keyword-rich product titles to improve search visibility. Additionally, develop valuable blog content related to your niche to draw in organic traffic and establish your brand as an authority. Always include clear calls to action. A great user experience is crucial. Make sure your website is fully responsive across all devices, especially mobile, and loads in under 3 seconds. Optimize all product pages with relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and image alt text for better search engine ranking. Streamline your checkout process to just a few steps, minimizing friction for customers. Consider integrating useful Shopify apps to enhance features like reviews, upsells, or customer support, improving overall site functionality. Finally, it's time to market and grow your store. Implement email marketing to nurture leads and retain customers with newsletters and promotions. Actively use social media platforms where your target audience spends time, sharing engaging content and product highlights. Invest in targeted advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook or Google to reach new potential buyers. Regularly analyze your sales data and customer behavior to identify trends and opportunities for scaling your business effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.